Imagine waking up to the calming sounds of nature, the sun rising over tranquil waters, and the promise of a day filled with opportunity. This is the essence of the ultimate 99% done-for-you catch system.
In today's fast-paced world, we often find ourselves overwhelmed with tasks and responsibilities. But what if there was a solution that could streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and help you achieve more in less time?
Introducing the catch system, a revolutionary approach to getting things done. Our team of experts has perfected a system that combines cutting-edge technology with unparalleled attention to detail, so you can focus on what truly matters.
But don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers rave about the transformative power of the catch system.
The catch system seamlessly integrates with your existing workflow, automating repetitive tasks, tracking progress, and providing real-time insights to help you make informed decisions.
With the catch system, you can increase your productivity by up to 50%, reduce errors by 75%, and save countless hours of valuable time each week. Embrace the power of the ultimate 99% done for you catch system and unlock your full potential. Take the first step towards a more efficient, more successful future today.
Visit our website at SAITS4UToday.com and discover how the catch system can revolutionize your workflow. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Embrace the future of productivity with Catch.